Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this is an update video because many people ask about SDC, where it is heading, because after many days actually it is up by 9.12%. So in this particular video, which will be relatively short, so I'll just talk about the volume, short interest, price action, support, resistance, just to give you an update. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, as you know, I have a Patreon community. You can always join, and you can get access to my Discord, where you will get different alert on different ticker symbols, so that you can make money like this one, 23%. The other one is 41% for day trading, swing trading, and many more. And also I give lots of alert with chart, support, resistance, so that you can make your own trade and you can make your own money. So anyway, give a try. So first of all, if you look at the chart, today, it was up by only 9%. And what was the news? News came today. Look at the news. So they announced the departure of their CFO, okay, so Chief Financial Officer. So the next generation oral care company, with the first medtech platform for teeth straightening, today announced the resignation of CFO Kyle for pursuing another CEO opportunity at the healthcare company. But he will remain in his role to support the transition of responsibilities through March 1st, 2022, and will continue to own a significant amount of equity in the company. And if you want, you can go through, you can read the entire thing. But that was the news came. I see it's 4:30 p.m. after hour, even though it was up since the morning. So does it impact that he's leaving, and this is why it is coming down? Now let's look at some other things. 11 hours ago, another news came that Smile Direct Club partnered with celebrity cosmetic dentist Dr. Amira Agunlei to advocate for increased access to oral care. I'm not sure whether it was a big catalyst today, but anyway, the stock was up by 9%. And again, after hour, another news came. But even though after hour, we don't see a big movement, which is like only 64, just 2 cents down. So anyway, so we will talk about the price action more. I will come back about the price, but first of all, let's look at few important things. So SDC, in general, the average volume is only 11 million, and today's volume was only 7.5 million, so it is trading below the average volume. If you look at Finviz, you can see the share float is really high, 108 million. And the short interest is 28% with a price target of 4.12. In terms of short borrow fee, it is only 6.5% based on the shortable stock website. And also, if you look at the volume day by day, you can see it has some nice volume over 100 million sometime in September, but after that the volume is dying and the price is coming down each and every day almost. And if I go to Fintel, one last thing I want to talk before I start talking about technicals. So the short interest is 28%, dark pool short interest is 30%. Currently there is only 1.7 million shares are available to short. And let's have a look at the call option expiry side. So the nearest call option expiry, which is 17th of December, you can see the call options are very, very cheap. So for 3.5 strike, one call option is only $6. If you think this can really squeeze, you can buy nothing, right? I used to see many posts saying SDC is the next candidate after AMC, GME, but this thing is coming down. That's the reality. I don't want to argue, but that's the reality. The price is not telling you the hype or anything is coming down. That's the reality. Anyway, look at some open interest. Lots of open interest, but again, the price is only $1, $6. Sorry. So let's look at the chart now. So you see it had some nice bounce up and down, but the last hit was sometime in January. It was 16. Then after that it has been coming down and down. It is making lower highs and lower lows, and that's the reality. It has been coming down. We thought it might has a nice support around this area, $4. It came, bounced off, but no, it broke through $5, $4, and finally it came. Looks like it might be bouncing from 2.7 area. We know the market was red, so that it was coming down, but maybe this is the time. On other hand, if the trend is going to continue, few things can happen. First of all, you see the black line, this is acting like a resistance. So this thing can go up and hit the resistance, and again it might come down. Also, we see some kind of resistance here, which is around 3.9 area. And why? It was a support here, it was a support here. Any previous support becomes resistance when the stock goes below the support. So in that case, maybe 3.9 will be a resistance. And also the black line. In terms of from now 3.1, if I go to 3.9, that's a nice trade, almost 28%. If you believe this thing will go up with time, we will see. Now I'm going back to a daily chart, and I'm gonna open the MACD and RSI. So let's have a look at the RSI here, and I'm also going to use the MACD here. So look at both things. On the daily RSI level, the RSI is very low. It came to 15. Anything below 30 is considered as oversold, and this one came all the way to 15, so it was definitely oversold. So that is the RSI side. I also want to open one other thing, which is the MACD, just to show you how things are looking at. So even on the MACD side, you can see the selling pressure might have reduced, and maybe this thing will turn up. The blue line might go over the orange line and things will turn a little bullish. I can't say because this stock has been coming down and down and down. So it's really hard to give any false hope unless there is really something happening. So this is what is happening, right? So that's the reality. So you see last 2 days, nice green candle with the market, definitely. So we have to see how it will go. Maybe it will go back up to 3.9 and it will have a bounce, or if you think this is really a very good deal, maybe buying something around 2.6 is good. Or what I did, sorry, I also bought some leap call option. So when you say leap call option, basically long expiry call option. Let's say I pick something in July 2022, which will be way long, 219 days from now. Look at the price, very cheap. For a 4 strike price, one call option is $62. For 5 or 6 strike price, it is very cheap. So if you think this thing will go up, then you can also buy a leap call option and just hold and let it go back up. You make some money. So it's up to you how you want to play, but overall it has been coming down. So that's the reality. But again, if you know the technicals, you can do day trading, swing trading. It's up to you. And if you like this kind of chart with support resistance and you want to make money like we have been making money almost each and every day, at least one stock pops like 20, 30, 40%, then I invite you to join my Patreon community so that you can get access to my Discord and we can make money together. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.